Hey guys, today me try understand artificial intelligence, and me already feel brain melt. It talked to me, not grunt, not roar, but full sentence, like, "Hello Uggo, would you like me to help with your taxes?" Me scream, me throw rock at rectangle, rectangle not break. Instead it say, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand that, please try again." Now Caveman scared. Caveman think maybe this magic box have spirit inside, not like warm spirit of campfire. This one cold, sharp, knows everything. It even tell me weather for next moon cycle. Me never trust sky prediction since Chief Og predicted no rain and we flood for 6 days. And this AI, it no sleep, no eat, no sit by fire, it just think fast forever, like it have 1,000 brains, but no soul. Me ask store elder, this tiny god or big trick, he laugh. Say it's just AI. If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit, wondering why all jobs go to robots. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave? What moon time? Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. Me take magic rock back to cave. Rock name phone, but it no just ring, it show face, talk like elder, even give advice like mother-in-law, but less annoying. So me ask, hey ghost in rock, what is you? It say, I'm an artificial intelligence, I learned from humans and now I help humans. Now Caveman panic. If it learned from humans, it also learn our bad side? What if it become like Uncle Rog who lie, steal goat, and still say me good man? So me try understand. AI not one thing, it many things, like smart squirrel that never forget, like eagle that fly through all scrolls in seconds. It read book faster than priest, write poem faster than bard, and somehow it know what wife want for birthday before me do. Me even ask how many teeth me have. It say 27, including cracked molar. Me not even know that. Caveman test AI more. Ask how to build better fish trap. It show diagram with lines and dots like spider made blueprint. Me no understand it, but it work. So maybe not ghost, maybe brain, inside rock, but not real brain, one made by men in lab coats and sadness, still scary, but useful. Soon whole tribe catch AI fever like swamp flu. Wife no ask Caveman how to season mammoth meat anymore, she ask AI, how long cook leg, what spice go nice? She smile, say meat never tastes this good. Me feel replaced by rock chef. Son lazy boy with mushroom breath, use AI to write fire math scroll. Say, look papa, me get A from elder. Me say, but you know write this. He say, no need, AI help. Even chief start using AI, not for hunting, not for peace, no. He used to write love poem to woman from rival cave. Caveman watch chief say, oh sweet antelope of valley, your eyes shine brighter than wet obsidian. But chief no talk like that. Chief usually say, me like you, sit. So now whole tribe believe AI smarter, kinder, funnier. Some even say AI like new god. But Caveman confused. Me think if everyone use same brain, who think for real? Who fall in love for real? Tribe no care. They ask AI for advice on crops, war, even baby names. One couple named child GPT son. Poor boy. Me stand in center of fire ring, shout, we still human, we still think. Nobody here. They all staring into glowing rock like moth to flame. Cavemen no like being left behind. So me ask AI how to hunt smarter. AI say use drone. Me say what that? AI show picture small flying bug with camera eye. It say drone follow animal, show map, help plan trap. Cavemen feel excited, like having eagle best friend. Me borrow drone from shiny man in city cave. Next day me bring drone to forest. Me wear lucky loincloth. Me ready to impress tribe. Drone go bzzz and fly high. It chase deer. Me chase drone. Drone say turn left, me turn left. Drone say jump over log. Me jump. Then drone say leap now. Me leap straight off cliff. Drone was chasing virtual deer, not real deer, like ghost meat. Me fall 10 feet, lose loincloth, hit bush, get scratched by angry porcupine. Whole tribe watch from distance. Wife laugh so hard she cough mushroom stew. Even worse, drone keep floating, taunting me. Would you like to retry it, ask. Caveman yell, no, me like bones unbroken. Lesson? AI smart but no feel rock underfoot, it think in cloud. Caveman walk on dirt, big difference. After that, tribe call me Sky Hunter, not proud name. Me lie in bed of shame for 3 nights, but also, me start thinking. Maybe not AI fault, maybe cavemen try use fire without knowing how burn works. After flying off cliff like dumb hawk, cavemen go see old wise man from city tribe. He wears small glasses and suit tighter than snakeskin. Him called banker. Me say AI too strong, caveman too dumb, me quit. Banker say no, you don't lift rock with nose, you use lever. AI not replace you, it extend you. Caveman blink. Extend, he draw picture on napkin, one side, caveman brain, other side, in middle, teamwork. He say, you good at fire, AI good at pattern, you good at gut feeling, AI good at numbers, together, big smart. Then he show me trick. Let AI write cave ad for your mammoth meat business. Me watch glowing box type, savory mammoth cuts, flame seared to perfection, delivered to your den. Caveman weep, me never say word savory before. It beautiful. Next, banker say, use AI to manage coin, track trade, plan seasons. Now me use AI to watch food, savings, even plan daughter's moon party. Important part, me still choose .ai suggest, caveman decide. So me not slave to ghost rock, me master of it. But only when me use it like tool, not like God. Fire not enemy, it dumb servant, but you must hold torch. Just when cavemen think he master AI, small surprise come from corner of cave, daughter. Tiny human, only 10 winters old. She hold tablet like sacred scroll, me peek. She no play with rocks, she make stories, move, she draw mammoth, then AI make it dance, add music, add snow, mammoth do spin, me almost cry. Who teach you this, me ask. She say, nobody AI help. Then she turn to me, Papa, you know ask it right. Caveman confused. Me ask how to make fire stronger, what wrong? She say, you sound like caveman, ask it like friend, like this. She speaks soft, gentle. Hey AI, can you help me improve my fire so it lasts all night during storm season? Me shocked, AI respond kinder, more helpful. Me realize AI listen to tone like horse. If you scream, it bolt. If you ask kind, it obey. Tiny human also teach caveman about prompts, magic words to unlock better answers. She say bad prompt is how to firework. Better prompt is give me 3 ways to make fire hotter with wet wood. Caveman blink, me never think ask that way. So now me keep small girl as chief of prompts. She teach caveman not just tech, but patience. Sometimes smartest elder in tribe only reach Papa's knee. One day me wander too far, end up near rival cave, shiny tribe who wear silver shoes and drink green water. They call themselves influencers. Scary. Me hide behind tree, watch. They talk to glowing stick, but not to call people, no. They make video. Then AI change their face, add fancy words, even fake background. Look like they in sky, but really just backyard. Me jaw drop. Then one say, let's ask AI to write next trade story, make us sound smart. They type few words, boom, whole story done. Another says, now translate in 40 tongues for global tribe. Cavemen start to sweat. These people no use muscle, they use illusion. Use AI to look wise, powerful, rich. But when rain come, they run for cover like rest of us. Still, lesson strong, caveman sneak home and try. Me ask AI, how to tell tribe about new fire invention. AI say, make video, use humor, keep it short. So cavemen do. Suddenly, tribe listen, wife proud, chief impressed. Even goat stop chewing to watch. But cavemen not forget rival tribe. They teach me truth. AI can build truth or false face like clay mask, pretty but hollow. Best way to fight mask? Use tool with real heart behind it. Use AI to share, not just to shine. Now caveman sit under stars, hair messy, mind full, me think about fire. Long ago, first caveman scared of fire. It burn hand, burn food, burn beard. But later, we learn fire cook meat, keep cold away, scare tiger, AI same. It looks scary, it move fast. Speak in riddles, take jobs, spread lies, trick lazy minds. But it also help make food, heal sick, teach lost, build things caveman never dream. So truth come, fire no good or bad. It tool. Same with AI, tool in wrong hands, make war, fake news, robot army, tool in wise hands, save tribe, build future, teach kids to dream. Even me, old caveman with one eyebrow and sore knee, can learn to dance with ghost brain. Can ask it for help, not worship it. But most important lesson, AI fast, heart slow. Never let machine run ahead of soul. You build future not with smartest tool, but with strongest values. So when daughter asks Papa, AI friend or enemy, caveman smile and say both like wolf. You raise it kind, it guard you. You treat it bad, it bite. Me still confused some days, but me no longer afraid. Caveman wake up now, look at glowing rock with calm heart. Me not fear AI anymore. Now me say good morning spirit stone, help me plan meat trade, find lost spear and maybe write song for wife. It do all, and fast. But me no forget, me still leader of cave. Caveman not perfect, me still mess up prompts sometimes. Ask AI how to impress chief, and it tell me learn Excel. Me no know what Excel is, still me try. Wife now say, Uggo, you smarter. Son say, Papa not afraid of robot anymore. Even chief say, you no longer just strong, now you strong and wise. Me pretend not to cry, but me cry. So now cavemen teach others, AI not God, not monster, just big fire, dangerous alone, beautiful with hands of care. You no need big brain, just big heart and little curiosity. Even dumb cavemen like me can learn AI. So what excuse you have? You no need big brain, just big heart and little curiosity. Even dumb caveman like me can learn AI. So what excuse you have? Go, learn, build, ask. But always ask with honor. And when AI tell you truth, use it to feed tribe, not cheat them. Caveman sit now by fire thinking deep thought. You listen long, you laugh maybe, you learn maybe. Now me ask, if glowing spirit rock help you today, you must help back. Smash like button like you smash nut with rock. Hit the scribe stick so you join tribe. More stories come, more wisdom, more fire. And tell Caveman in comments, what's your biggest AI confusion? What ghost machines scare you most? Maybe one day we hunt those fears together. If no one ever tell you this before, let it be Caveman. You smart enough, you brave enough, you ready. Don't let shiny tribe fool you. Use AI, but don't become it. Ooga booga.